This video is going to show you how to remove the dispense filter on a Skywell unit. As you can see right here, this is a carbon block filter, and it indicates here in and out the flow of the water going through the filter, then dispenses down into the cup. To remove the filter, make sure to turn off the power and unplug it from the wall, as you don't want any pumps flowing so water doesn't dispense all over and end up all over the floor. Okay, so what you're going to do on each side of the filter, you're going to see that there is a little small blue clip. If you were to take a spring hook and be gentle, you can actually get in and lift the clips off very gently. As you can see, it's a little tight to get in there. Be very careful not to drop the clip. Clips here are little blue saddle clips, one on each side. Number two. On each side of the filter, you would take your spring hook or a small screwdriver, whichever you have, and just pull the connections away. Recommend that you have a lot of paper towels or some dry rags to keep here just in case the water does drip, because you do not want it to fall down onto the overflow sensors. This side also, I am pulling the connection away and going to let it, if it does drip, it will go right into that rag. You're then going to just pull out the filter, lifts right out in your hand. To replace it, you would take the new filter, sit it down into its little cradle, reattach each side, make sure you get them all the way in, because if you do not, the water will not flow right. Sure to snug both sides down, and then reinstall the two blue clips taken off previously on each side. Sometimes you do have to open up the area for the clip a little bit. And if you get it on the area here, you will see that the clip just kind of slides right back into place, and you lock it down.